How you can create app password for Microsoft Outlook email. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, open up the web browser and go to office.com or O360 login. Once you have logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to My Microsoft Account. In your Microsoft account, from the left-hand side, go to Security. There, you will see the option of two-step verification at the top. As you can see, it is turned off, so simply click on the Turn On option and set it up for your account. Once you click on Manage of two-step verification, in the next step, you'll see this option of two-step that you need to follow to allow two-step verification feature to be enabled in your account. Read those steps, click on Next, and now here you will see the three options. Either you can use an application, an alternate email address, or a phone number to apply the two-step verification. And that's it. That's how you can create app password for Microsoft Outlook email.